Hello everyone, my name is Izzati. So today, I would like to share with you about danger at my place. My house is located between the Emerald Hills and the gentle cares of the winding river. The landslide near my house has a special place in the heart of the local community, which is Cameron Highland, Pahang. Many families picnic on its verdant bank, children laugh as they skip stones across the water, and nature's symphony echoes in the water. However, during the rainy season, the calm facades of the landslide was broken by unexpected events. How the tragedy happened? So, first, the incident started because I like to jog around the area even though I know it is very dangerous. But because it is close to my house, the area is also beautiful, so I continue my activity every evening. I think that it will not be a landslide anytime soon. When an unusual strong storm formed on the distant horizons, increasing in intensity as it approached the coastal town. Weather forecaster issues warning, urging residents to prepare for the impending storm. As the sky darkens and the wind blows, the atmosphere around the land changes from calm to eerie anticipation. Amidst the chaos, neighbors band together, reinforced leaves, and erected temporary barriers to protect homes. When the storm hit, we worked together to ensure that our own lives and those of our families were safe from being hit by rock fragments from the landslide. Okay, we stop here for a minute. Can you guess what is the physics concept related to this situation? This situation is related to the physics concept of projectile motions. So, let me explain about projectile motions. Diana, I was wondering, what is projectile motion? Oh, you interested to know? Let me explain. Projectile motion is a type of motion experienced by an object that is thrown, projected, or launched into the air and is subject only to the force of gravity and air resistance if present. In these motions, the object follows a curved trajectory known as the projectile trajectory because it is affected by both the initial velocity and the constant accelerations due to gravity. The motions of a projectile can be broken down into horizontal and vertical components. The horizontal motion is typically uniform and unaffected by gravity, while the vertical motion is influenced by gravity, causing the projectile to accelerate downward. Oh, interesting. So, let's relate this concept to a landslide. In the case of a landslide, the rock, debris, and soil on a hillside are subjected to an external force, often triggered by factors like heavy rainfall or geological instability. The dislodged material then experiences projectile motions as it descends down the slope under the influence of gravity. Is it important to know about this? Understanding projectile motions in the context of a landslide is crucial for predicting the potential risk and impact of the falling debris. It allows scientists, engineers, and emergency responders to model and analyze the behavior of the landslide, enabling better preparedness and mitigation strategies for community at risk. The horizontal motion is at a constant velocity since there are no force acting horizontally. Air resistance can be ignored. For projectiles which are projected horizontally, the initial vertical velocity is zero, while the vertical motion is one of constant accelerations, equal to g 10 meter per second on Earth. Years pass, and the landslide near my home has been restored to its former glory, albeit with scars that tell a story of endurance. The community, having weathered the storms together, found a deeper appreciation for the beauty that surrounds them. Landing, once a source of simple joy, now stands as living proof of the strength that can be found in the face of adversity. Ways how to die quickly. Tips 1. Ignore your surroundings, especially when running downhill. Do not pay any attention to the trains and don't avoid obstacles like rocks, tree roots. These tips will make you die even faster. Tips 2. Do not check the weather forecast for the day of your hike, so that it must be fast when the sudden weather changes, especially in the mountainous or remote area. Tips 3. Ignore the warning signs posted along the roads. These signs are for the new climbers only. You are already a professional hiker. Steep cliffs, unstable terrains, or the presence of wildlife don't matter to you. Warning signs indicate more extreme areas, and it is a challenge you have to do to test your endurance, such as a river crossing or a section with a risk of falling rock. You are so invulnerable, just ignore it. Thank you for watching. Bye.